I just want to call Mr. Aski Pascual, ayan, MOF Executive Director for Licensing and Expansion.
So, yearly, meron naman tayong same titles sa Mr. sa Pilipinas. Pero this year, we will be adding 2 more international titles. So, ang una natin i-add is, kasi diba ang Misters, meron na tayong for single men. Ito naman, pwedeng sumali ang mga married men and single ages 25 to 48. So, this is an international contest, so we will be crowning ang ating Mr. sa Pilipinas, makikilala natin siya. So, ang title po na ito is nag-a-advocate ng health, men's health. And ang advocacy is to promote health for a year. So, ang atin pong magiging Misters of Pilipinas, King of the Universe, will be revealed later. Parang nandyan siya. And second title po natin is based in Europe, founded by Ali Durgut noong 2021. This is a global competition to support modeling, fashion, and pageantry. So, another title po ng Mr. of Pilipinas ay ang Top Model of Universe. So, magaganap po siya sa Istanbul, Turkey this year. And makikilala ko rin po ang ating Mr. of Pilipinas Top Model of Universe.
For the King of the Universe. And he will be such by Mr. Carlo Morris Gala. Ayan. The President of the PEPS Foundation and the owner of Misters of Pilipinas and Man of the World. And hi!
You are strong, you are wonderful, you fill the world with honor and grace. The power that shines from inside and out will lead us to a very special place. You possess true courage and strength, responsible and we can depend on. You are the symbol.
Since si Mark yung pinapakilala natin as the King of the Universe, ayan ang bago nating the newest, one of the newest titles of Misters of Pilipinas. If you want to share some conversation with Mark Ravel ngayon. Mark, anong masasabi mo dahil syempre you're from other title, di ba? Tapos ngayon binigay sa'yo yung King of the Universe. Ano yung bibigay mong statement sa kanila para may pakilala na you are very deserving King of the Universe representing the Philippines? Ayan.
Una po sa lahat, gusto kong batiin kayo ng magandang hapon po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa mga tao natin dito. Maraming salamat po. So ayun, binigyan ako ng bagong opportunity ni Sir Carlo to present our country, Philippines, sa aming King of the Universe.
Title. And that is the Top Model of Universe. Hindi na rin po natin ito patatagalin pa. Gusto ko na rin pong ipakilala sa inyo kung sino pong magre-represent ng Pilipinas in this competition. But first, let me call on the National Director of the Top Model Universe, Mr. Jude Salud. Ayan, Sashing. Ito na po, ipapakilala ko na po sa inyo. Let me call on Brent Talman, the candidate or the official candidate of Top Model of Universe representing the Philippines. Ayan. Hindi lang siya first runner-up ngayon, guys. Ito sinabi sa amin ito ng Misters of Pilipinas. Yung mga runners-up namin, and last week that you guys are runners-up, wala na kayong title. And very easy ngayon. You'll represent the Philippines into the international stage for the Top Model Universe. And mind you guys, yung pinakamalayong Misters of Pilipinas na mag-compete international. Saan ka mag-compete, Brent, ulit? Sa Turkey. Sa Turkey mag-compete si Brent. And Brent, just wanna tell you kung anong mga masasabi mo sa kanila about your experiences sa Misters of Pilipinas, at kung ano yung feeling mo ngayon na magre-represent ka na ng Philippines in that kind of competition.
First of all, thank you so much sa Mr. of Pilipinas na nabigyan po ako ng chance na mag-represent sa Philippines talaga. It is a dream come true and I won't let it down. Yan lang po.
Ayan, bago pumunta din Brent, and I just wanna call Sir Carlo Morris para magbigay ng words sa'yo and your upcoming competition. Kailan ang competition niya, Sir Carlo? That will be on October na, guys. So let's support Brent Talman. This is a good time for him na ma-promote yung laban niya sa Turkey. Ayan, Mr. Carlo.
Okay, since the competition of Brent is this coming October, we'll be adding the top model of the universe sa Mr. of Pilipinas this year sa 11th edition. So one of our titles this year is top model of the universe. But ngayong year, ang magko-compete muna si Brent. So Brent, congratulations. Sabi ko sa iyo, in God's time, makukuha mo rin at makapag-represent ka rin ng Philippines. Kasi Brent, kung nasubaybayan niyo si Brent, he joined 2 times sa Mr. sa Pilipinas. 2 times. So the first time, parang top 20, top 12. The second time is the first runner-up. So ngayon, binibigay na ni Lord sa kanya ang top model of the universe to represent the Philippines sa international stage. Congratulations once again.
Of them all, the Mr. of Pilipinas second runner-up, Mr. James Hardy Laos. A big round of applause for Mr. James Hardy Laos. Next is the winner of the Man at Star International 2023, RJ De Vera. World first runner-up, Mr. Godfrey Nicolay Murillo. First title for this year, the top model of universe, Mr. Brent Talman. Eh di syempre gusto ko rin pinilala yung sarili ko. And also syempre hindi mo ako kompleto ng Kings for the 10th edition kung wala po si Lloyd Figueras. Salamat po, maraming salamat. I'm the Mr. Teenager Universe 2024. Ayan. Sentence of Mr. Kenneth Kabukal. I just wanna call him. Here he is, the Mr. of Pilipinas Grand Winner and Man of the World Philippines 2023. Mr. Kenneth Vincent Kabukal.